What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So I was traveling for a little bit of time and now I'm back in this video. I've been watching a couple of different videos online about this. I've been seeing reels about this. I'm gonna take my own chance and try it out, and here we go. So this is Generative Fill. This is kind of like a plug-in deal where you can download a beta version from Photoshop, or you can use Firefly. And for this one, I'm gonna use Firefly because unfortunately, I wasn't able to download the beta version because my laptop is just crammed with a bunch of photos that I've taken, and I have to delete all these things to make some space for more programs and things like that, yada yada yada. In any case, this is what Generative Fill looks like in Firefly, and it also pretty much does the same exact thing in the Photoshop beta version as well. Let's change things up. Ready? 1, 2. So I got that over there, I got this over here. I'm not sure what I'm even putting in the video right now, but I got that over there, and I got that over there. Let's change it up again. I got that over there, and I got that kind of going on in the background over there. I'm just making stuff up right now off the top of my head because I don't really know what I'm going to put in the background. Let's change it up again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now the background changed again, which is pretty crazy. Future Jim that's editing this video, I don't know what you're putting in the background, but it may be goofy, may not, but just for you guys viewing this video right now, I don't know what Jim's doing right now to this background, but hopefully it's not too goofy. And that's what Generative Fill does. That's a very weird word to say, Generative Fill. The AI adds stuff to the background, it creates the background, and not only creates the background, it creates the background from whatever lighting setting that you have going on in your video. Now, the one thing that you want to make sure when you're using these AI programs in this Generative Fill is that you don't want to move around too much in your video. Otherwise, if I put my hand up there, I can pretty much just mess everything up. So I have to be still in the frame for the most part. So I'm not gonna be moving my shoulders too much left or right and things like that, making sure that I am just still and I have the ability and the space around me over there and there to add stuff. So if you guys want to know a little bit more about Generative Fill and how to do it, I can make a video on it. It's pretty simple, and I found it pretty easy and pretty fun to just kind of mess around with some of this stuff since I'd never had the chance to do it until now. Yeah, that's gonna end today's video. It's a little short video here for you guys. I just kind of jump into the game of Generative Fill and see what it's all about. It's pretty cool. Once I get the Photoshop beta version, I can do a video on that. And there's a little bit more to the editing process for Generative Fill in the Photoshop beta version, but it's essentially the same thing. It's a little bit more hands-on, whereas Firefly is a little bit more user-friendly. That's gonna end today's video. Thanks for watching this little goofy video on Generative Fill, and hope you guys are interested in it. This is what it is. It's kind of cool. I'll be testing it out a little bit later on. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you want to see a video of any sorts, just let me know and I'll try to make that type of video for you guys as well. I'm gonna peace out for now. Thanks for watching. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.